Hello everyone, this is Steve with the Free Bullion Investment Guide. Today is July 20th, and I'm doing a price analysis video for the US dollar. This is a US dollar 4-hour chart, and to quickly review last week's video, I had shown you this falling expanding wedge. It is a positive pattern, and the dollar did break above it as expected early in the week. That really happened after the retail sales number was released for June, and it showed a good sign in the U.S. economy, which is always good for the dollar. But then in the middle of the week, we had the Fed chair come out and basically picked up on the fact that we may see a rate cut at the end of this month, and also the IMF came out on Wednesday stating that the dollar is overvalued, which kind of sent traders running. But then it basically stopped short of falling below 96.60, and it bounced back up simply because of being oversold, and we're likely going to continue to see a sideways movement, most likely with a downward slant out of the US dollar. I wouldn't really call this pattern confirmed. I mean, it was broken to the upside, but the dollar didn't stay above it, which I just do videos for the week. I'm sure I could have jumped in here on Monday or Tuesday and been like, it's confirmed. Hey, I was right, blah, blah, blah. But anyways, I don't see it that way necessarily. It didn't stay above it. It's mostly doing a sideways movement. And really what I continue to see out of the market is more negative patterns out of the US dollar. And that's what I'm showing you here. We have rising expanding wedges, which are really bear flags. We had one here that was completed after Tuesday's movement, and then we have another one that's in the process of basically it should be completed early next week, and it's likely that we're going to continue to see the dollar fall slightly in price, most likely staying above the 95.75 support level, but making bear flags, just basically melting up, and then sellers coming in and selling it off, and then it'll melt up again and sellers will come in and sell it off again. But it's most likely going to continue a sideways movement. We'll really have to see what happens at the end of the month, what the Fed does, because we're really not going to have any concrete movement out of the dollar until that happens. So that's my review and outlook for the dollar this week. Again, just more sideways movement. We do have, I expect it to stay between the two, the support level of 96.60 and the resistance level of 97.60. So I thank you for your time. Take care, and God bless.